Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I am in the kitchen with my friend Lital.
Dun, 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 hello!
Lital, okay. Today is gonna be fun. Today we are changing the roles. Usually when you come over, I'm the one who cooks.
That is true.
Today you're cooking.
Oh God.
So
okay.
I make penne alla vodka all the time, and it's a dish you eat a lot, but do you ever pay attention when I cook?
Here and there. I pick up a few things.
All right, well, you have all the ingredients you need, all the equipment's out here, so you should be able to do this, hopefully.
Okay, first things first. I'm gonna do the pasta. So let's get this. Let's roll with it. Okay.
That is gonna add so much flavor.
Step one, completed.
That's upside down.
Okay, let's see my chef skills. It's okay. You gotta take risks. I think you're right about my knife skills. Actually, I remember cooking with Eitan and he taught me how to.
For the record, I did not teach her this technique of cutting.
No, he did.
Do you want to learn a little trick?
Yeah.
Smash it, and then it's much easier. No, well,
Yeah.
yeah. There you go.
I'm gonna grab my blender.
I didn't know we were up to that step. It's an interesting technique. Try not to stain anything. Making a penne alla vodka smoothie.
Is this water? Ooh, that's not water. I'm gonna do it half and half. I feel like I remember you doing this, so okay.
I have other memories. I personally do not endorse what's going on, but I will help. I do recommend, let's just wait so we don't make a mess, put that there first. Oh, there you go.
Let's see. Pasta's boiling.
That's water.
It's a pasta.
That's water still. But...
The water's boiling. Okay, now
right.
do we have a timer? Set a timer for,
How many minutes?
12 minutes.
12? Sure.
12 minutes.
Do you know what it's called? What you're supposed to cook pasta till?
Pasta time.
Pasta time, that's it. Oh, we're just trying both of them. That is the best looking penne alla vodka I've ever seen.
Wow. We're gonna add a bit of the fresh mozzarella.
That is Parmesan.
Parmesan.
That's the wrong side of the
Parmigiano.
grater.
This is not the girl. It looks a little bit pinkish to me, so I'm gonna add a lot of tomato paste. I feel like the pasta's done.
Sure.
Oh, that's not safe.
A little crunchy.
Then we should make it higher and add more oil.
More oil is what we need.
I didn't even add oil. Did I? Did I add oil?
Oh, we're just washing the pasta. Oh, a little pasta water is good. Oh.
Yummy.
Wow. Ooh, that little bit of garlic skin. That's a little texture.
Then we're just gonna add a little bit more at the top. I learned from him.
I take zero credit for her cooking abilities.
Oh my gosh! Oh
What?
my gosh!
Oh, the vodka, yeah.
We're gonna pour it all over. I feel like it won't be that bad.
Sure, you can do whatever. We are flambéing already made penne alla vodka. This is really successful.
This is great. Stir a little bit more. I think the flavor's there.
There is
It's
flavor.
definitely there.
There you go.
Oh, yay.
Bon appetit. Oh, your pasta timer's off. All right, are you ready to eat?
I'm ready.
Woo! Yeah,
I think I did great. There's a lot of garlic in there.
there's garlic. Because of your flambe process, it is less crunchy than initially.
Right? The oil
Yeah.
did something. And I had a strategy.
You guys have to try this. Come here.
Lital, what do you make?
I had you in mind.
What is this beautiful lunch?
Lital's Bon Appetit Penne alla Vodka Pasta.
Ooh, yeah, that is a nice pasta time consistency.
Very pasta time.
Wow, I'm going in for double personally. Cheers. Cheers.
You
to
guys
that.
are so sweet. We're both looking at you.
Oh.
The pasta's more cooked than I thought.
Yeah.
Right?
It's the oil.
Right? It's the oil.
vodka and hot milk.
Yeah.
I'm really full.
Very
I'm
full.
I understand.
Big breakfast.
Big
breakfast.
Yes.
For sharing.
Thank you so
Very
much.
nice.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I need to
So nice.
I think I'm full too.
I think I'm a little bit full as well.
Yeah.
We'll save it for later.
Yes.
Perfect.
It is time for me to make you my best penne alla vodka, and my best penne alla vodka is on a pizza. It's gonna be cheesy, it's gonna be delicious, and I think it'll be better than
I
yours.
don't think so.
Okay, now it is time to make the sauce. You did add a nice amount of garlic, but in my penne alla vodka sauce, I like to add a lot more garlic. So we're gonna do about 10 cloves, and we are just going to chop it up. Do you wanna give it a try? I appreciate your technique, but let me show you the correct way that we're
see.
gonna do this. So we're gonna hold the knife like this, all right? We're gonna put our hand on top, making sure we do not cut ourselves, and we're just going to run our knife through there. Oh, you're getting it.
Run into
Oh, all right, yeah. Nope, no. You want the rocking, yep. Now, we're going to heat up our frying pan. We're now gonna add in about 1/4 cup of olive oil right
I see you're
into
using
there.
my strategy of the nice little swirl.
I learned a little bit from you.
You did.
Yeah? We are going to add in our garlic straight into there. Now, can you grab the red chili flakes?
Yes.
Give it another 1 or 2 sprinkles. We're going to cook our garlic until it's like lightly golden brown around the edges. Okay, I think our garlic's looking good. Do you want to do the honors of squeezing this in?
Yes, please.
Squeeze in our tomato
much?
paste, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're actually now going to cook the tomato paste for about 3 minutes. Let's talk about when you're actually supposed to use the vodka. We want to cook off the alcohol in the vodka, which will then allow us to actually get the beautiful, delicious flavor. All right.
Fire.
And go. Fire.
Fire in the hole.
Nope. Oh, there we go. We're flambeing. See this? So now that fire is now lighting all of that alcohol. The alcohol is burning off, and we're going to be left with the delicious flavor of the vodka, which is going to flavor our sauce.
We did it.
We survived the
That was the
we
hard
survived.
part.
That was it. The tomato paste, which gives us some of that deep tomato flavor, and then we're also going to add in some diced canned tomatoes right there. You want to make sure that you add
Salt.
salt. You added like that salt. That's not going to do anything.
So what am I supposed to
You want to add like a hefty. You want it to be salty like the sea.
I thought the oil substituted
That would give the salt flavor.
Yeah. The pasta flavor.
Oh, interesting. Okay. So we can add that into there, and then we want to cook this now. Pasta time,
Pasta time.
in more traditional spaces, is called to al dente. Al dente means to the tooth.
To the
It
tooth.
means like when you bite it, you still,
To the tooth.
to the tooth. You feel it in the teeth. You ever made pizza dough before?
I have. Yes.
I find that hard to believe. When?
With my dad. He taught me. Don't worry.
Well, fun little fact, when you're making a dough, you want your water to be no hotter than 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's now just pour it into our stand mixer, and we're going to add in our active dry yeast. All right, we're just gonna add that right into there. All right, ready? Do you want to do the honors for removing it?
I do.
Hit the camera. You want to pour the sugar, not the sugar, the salt into
The salt.
the
Can't mix that up, Eitan.
flour, add it in, beautifully done. And we're just going to whisk that up. Important to whisk the dry ingredients. And now we're going to take our dry ingredients and add those right into here. So let's just mix that up, and we are now going to incorporate the dough. Well, our dough has now been kneaded. It is looking good. Look at that. Now we're going to grab one of these, and we are now going to let our dough rise. So I'm gonna grab a little olive oil. Now we're not gonna pour it on our hand to try it. Let's get our olive oil in there, get that nice around, looking good. Now you can place the dough in there. Bam! And we're now gonna let this rise for about
gonna
an
go to
hour and a
bed.
half-ish until it is doubled in size, or you could do it overnight for a little more flavor. Now, while we are doing that, why don't we also grate our Parmesan cheese? Okay. Honestly, you're doing better than last time.
Oh,
Wow, love the technique,
look at
Lital.
this.
Next up, we're going to add in our heavy cream. We're gonna do about 1/2 cup of heavy cream.
I think this is stirred to its potential.
So we're just going to transfer it into here. Awesome.
Great job.
Thank you very much. Got that on there. I love that you've just chosen to wear the mitts.
Let's do it.
Might be a little hard with those oven mitts on. All right, great. And let's just blend this up. Looking good. We don't need oven mitts. Fun little fact about pasta.
Throw it on the wall. Throw it on the wall.
I guess it's not ready.
It's not ready.
So let's now give it a little try. Let's try it. It's reached pasta time.
It's reached pasta time.
Drain our pasta. So we're gonna place that here, and now instead of washing the pasta, pour it back into the original pot. We are now going to take our sauce, and we are going to actually reserve a little sauce. Since we're putting this on a pizza, we need some extra sauce when we're actually making the pizza. Just transfer that straight into here. So you want to now slowly add in a little bit of pasta water.
Yes.
Very little, very careful.
little.
Just pour in a little bit, okay. We are now ready. It is time to assemble our pizza. Oh! So now
Fire.
I'm going to flour our surface. It's gonna help make sure it doesn't stick. There we go. Plop. Okay, amazing. Now I'm going to flour the top, and we are now just going to push this out. We're going to make a nice round pizza. All right, this is looking good. Now it is time for the pizza peel. We are just going to grab some cornmeal. Over here, you can use cornmeal, you can use semolina, and you want a pretty hefty amount. Let's now give that a nice transfer. Here we go, and now let's give that a little test. You see it?
Yeah, it doesn't move.
There we go. No, it does move.
It does move.
It moves.
It moves.
Okay, the oven is now preheated to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, kind of wherever the hottest your oven will go. We have a pizza stone in there. It is nice and hot. We're now going to par bake our crust. 2, 1. Let's get that out. Now it is time to assemble. So we're going to take our reserved sauce. Isn't that great?
Great. Looks so good.
There we go. And we're just going to scrape it all on there. And we are just going to form our pizza. Very important is to add the cheese on the bottom. This is going to make sure we get a nice cheesy cheese pull. We are just going to take our penne alla vodka and we are going to spoon that on top. We're now just going to spread this out, and look, we have like this like a mountain over here. Come down.
Gotta get down.
Look at this. More mozzarella cheese over top. That's gonna get nice and golden brown in the oven. Brush
Coat
the
it.
crust, coat it. Coat it with olive oil, and we are also going to add more
Parmesan.
Parmesan,
Parmesan.
not mozzarella. A little salt for the rim of the pizza, and then finally our Parmesan, and we're just going to place that on the crust. Now it's time to bake it again. Pop it back in. Look at that. As you can see, we have a nice golden brown crust, that Parmesan on there, got nice and crispy. That'll give lots of great flavor. You have that melty cheese. You have the penne alla vodka. You have that little bits of brown bits. It's pizza time! We got it. Okay. Wow!
That's great.
Pizza time!
cheers.
Pasta
Pizza
time,
time.
all the time.
Pasta time.
Eating time. Oh.
Wow.
You can find the recipe for this on eitanbernath.com. Are you gonna be making this again? Do you feel like next time you make penne alla vodka, you are
I
better
will know what I'm
equipped?
doing, for sure.
You will definitely know.
I'll make it for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, God, no. It is. Oh, God. It's very messy. You have to eat it like this.